What's up guys, it's Bailey, and in this video I will be going over the best budget mouse available on the market today. The mouse I will be showing you guys is a Horali F300. This mouse has a 7-button design, left click, right click, scroll, forward and back on the left side of the mouse, DPI button, and a color button. It has a Pixar 3325 infrared optical sensor and a full RGB lighting. It comes with a braided cable and free software which controls macros, lighting, and DPI. The software is available to download on the manufacturer's website. This mouse has a lot of features that come with it for just $17. The build quality of the shell is plastic and it feels really rigid. I've been using this mouse for nearly 2 years and it has been amazing. If you are a hardcore gamer or someone who wants an RGB light on their mouse, this is perfect. I use this mouse for day-to-day use as well as playing shooter games such as Fortnite. This is perfect because you have those extra buttons on the left side that you can use to macro. All the buttons are tactile and responsive and don't feel like they're going to pop out at any time. The scroll wheel is made of a rubber grip which is responsive when scrolling. The rubber feet on the bottom glide smoothly. If you guys have felt the Razer DeathAdder, the ergonomics of this mouse is similar to that specific type. If you are interested in picking one of these up, I will link it in the description down below with the most up-to-date pricing. Last but not least, don't forget to thumbs up and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all about the mouse, leave it in the comments down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.